Main idea. This is going to make it so much easier for you in the future. Did we lose it? Okay. It just went to sleep. Gotcha. Okay. So we're going to find some main ideas when we read today. And you know what? Whenever you're a reader and you're finding main idea, you always start in one place. And that place is the text. It's the text. So it's going to be an article that we're going to read today. So this article, just say bye though. This article is titled Tricky Tongues. Tricky Tongues. Oh, tricky tongues. What do you think we might be reading about today then? If the title is Tricky Tongues, yes?
Tricky tongues?
Tricky tongues. Who's tricky tongues?
A turtle?
Oh, maybe a turtle's tricky tongue. Very possibly. And you know what? When I move forward in the article here, you can see that we're not just going to be reading about a turtle, but we might be reading about some other what? Ooh, other animals. And I do see some other animals there. I do. I see a snake and a bird, and it looks like a gecko or a lizard. And then over here to the right, I see a lion. So it's very possible and probable that we're going to read about animals. Tricky tongues. Okay. So you know what? That could be, really teachers, that could be our prediction. That could be our prediction for our topic. But ultimately, boys and girls, we have to read all of the evidence in order to determine if that is truly what we're reading about. So we'll see. We also, whoops, 0